Sir, yes, sir.
Audible na, sir.
Madunggan ko?
Yes, do.
Hello?
Yes.
Madungan do. Good evening.
Hello, Madunggan?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes po,
Yes,
sir.
do.
Good evening, sir.
Madunggan ninyo? Hello? Okay. Okay, so good evening. So let's continue for the properties of Laplace transform. So we have here first is the constant multiple. So if A is a constant and T is a function of T, then Laplace transform of function of T is equal to A Laplace transform of function of T. Meaning, if you example, if you have a Laplace transform of 4 cosine T, we know that T is a constant, so you can factor out now, which is equal to 4 times Laplace transform of cosine T. So another properties is the linearity property. So if A and B are constant, while function of T and G function of T are function of T whose Laplace transform exists. So we have here Laplace transform is equal to A function of T plus B G function of T can also equal to A Laplace transform of function of T plus B Laplace transform of G function of T. So, for example, here we have here find the Laplace transform of function of T is equal to function of T minus 2. So, using the linearity property, so we have here Laplace transform of function of T minus 2 is equal to, you can factor out 5 Laplace transform of T minus 2 Laplace transform of 1. Now, can factor out 5. What is Laplace transform of function of T? From the table, what Laplace transform of function of T is equal to into frequency, that is equal to 1 over squared. So, mo ni siya. 1 over squared. Minus 2 times Laplace transform of 1 over 2 Laplace transform of 1, that is equal to 1 over h. So makita na nato this table, Laplace transform of function of 1 is equal to 1 over h. So you have here 5 over h squared minus 2 over h squared, or you can simplify further. So hello, wala.
Excuse me, sir. Murag dili
Kana,
klaro.
anong gana? Hello, anong gana? Kana. Okay. So we have here equal to 1 over h squared, 5 minus 2h. So next is by using the linearity property. So here, hello. So if you have here Laplace transform of cosine hyperbolic et is equal to, you're going to prove that is equal to h over h squared minus h squared using property of linearity ato i-prove. So we know that function of t is equal to cosine hyperbolic et. So Laplace transform of function of t is equal to, atong gamitan siya, integral of e to the st function of t dt. We know that the function of t here is equal to cosine hyperbolic et. So Laplace transform cosine hyperbolic et is equal to the integral of e to the is t cosine hyperbolic et dt limits from 0 to infinity. But cosine hyperbolic et is equal to e to the et plus e to the negative et over 2. Umuni siya yung equivalent aning cosine hyperbolic et in terms of exponential, which is equal to e to the et plus e to negative et over 2. So we are going to substitute this one. Ato na siyang substitute to this. So that is integral of e to the is t. We know that cosine hyperbolic et is equal to e to the et plus e to negative et over 2 times dt limits from 0 to et. Then atong i-simplify. So we have here 1/2 e to the is t, e to the et dt limits from 0 to infinity plus 1/2 e to the is t, e to negative et dt limits from 0 to infinity. Now, we know that the Laplace transform of this one, kani. The integral of e to the is t is equal to 1. So that is equal to, mabilin na karon, that is 1/2 Laplace transform of e to the et plus kani gyapon mo gyapon this one. Ang equivalent ani is equal to 1, di ba? Balik ta diri sa katon diri nga kuan by integration. Oh. Oh. Balik ta diri. So e to negative is t 0 to infinity. Actually kung tanaw na nimo siya this one, ano na siya kani siya o kani, so meaning kaning 0 to infinity e to negative is t, then dt is equal to this one is equal to 1 pa. So balik ta dere. So 1 na siya, appeal mo na siya, 1. So we have here Laplace transform of cosine hyperbolic et is equal to 1/2 Laplace transform of e to the et plus 1/2 Laplace transform of e to negative et. So from the table of Laplace transform, we know that Laplace transform of e to the et is equal to 1 over s minus e. And Laplace transform of e to negative et is equal to 1 over s plus s minus negative e. That is why mo na siyang 1 over s plus e. So mo na siyang i-substitute diya. So we have here 1/2 1 over s minus a plus 1/2 1 over s plus a. So simplify na to. So we have here Laplace transform of cosine hyperbolic et is equal to s over s squared minus a squared. So tanaw na to stable. So mao na siya. Atong gi-prove nga kani siya using linearity property. So another property is the first shifting property. So here the first shifting property, if the Laplace transform of function of t is equal to function of s, then when s is greater than a, then the Laplace transform of e to the et, function of t, kani siya, is also equal to function of s minus a. So in other words, the substitution nato nga s minus a or s in the transform correspond to the multiplication of the original function by e to the et. So for example here, find the Laplace transform of function of t e to the 2t then t cubed. Now we know that kani siya Laplace transform of t to the n is equal to n factorial over s n plus 1. Ato tong tanawon, di ba? Kani Laplace transform function of t to the n is equal to n factorial over s n plus 1. So na siyang i-kuan karon, so kabalo man tani that this one is equal to 3 factorial, kani sa atong unang i-work out ha. Okay. Kaning Laplace transform of t to the cube is equal to 3 factorial using this formula over s 3 plus 1. So we have here Laplace transform of t to the cube is equal to 6 over s to the 4th. Then, ato ding gamitan og shifting gayon, kaning shifting sa itong bato na na, you just simply 2 man ni siya. So, Laplace transform of e to the 2t, t cube is equal to 6 over, kani siya, minus lang ka og s minus 2 raised to the power 4. Kani siya ba? O man eh. O man itong gigamit ani, kani siya. Mahimo na siyang s minus s. Pag-abot niya dito sa frequency. Now, another. So we have here, find the Laplace transform of function of t. E to negative 5t sin 3t. So, again, atong sin 3t is equal to Laplace transform of sin bt, which is equal to b over s squared over s squared plus b squared. Ato i-substitute, we know that our b is 3, so 3 over s squared plus s cubed. So, Laplace transform of 3t is equal to 3 over s squared plus 9. So, using the first shifting, Laplace transform a negative 5t sin 3t, so you just 3 over, kung ano s minus, kano siya, ano nyo? S minus negative a. But our negative a here is negative 3. That is why, negative 5. That is why, may mo na siyang s minus negative 5. So, s plus. Hello, kana?
Doc, ang last page, Doc, kay kaning na-assign H80.
Ako sa kana balender eh. Okay, so kana siya. Okay. So, muna ni siya karon, Laplace transform of gamitan to first shifting, so that is why 3 over s minus negative 5 product on. Oh, s minus negative 5, meron siyang s plus 5 squared plus 9. So, simplify. So, the Laplace transform of negative 5t sin 3t is equal to 3 over s squared plus 10s plus 34. So, the last example, so we have here, find the Laplace transform of function of t e to the t sin hyperbolic 2t. Now, we know that sin hyperbolic et is equal to a over e squared minus e squared. So, ito i-substitute where our a is equal to 2. So, we have here Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic 2t is equal to 2 over e squared minus 2 squared. So, we have here Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic 2t is equal to 2 over e squared minus 4. So, using first shifting property, so we know that this one is 1 man siya, positive 1. So, s minus 1. No? So, may mo na siyang s minus 1 squared minus 4. So, we have here 2 over Laplace transform of e to the t times sin hyperbolic 2t is equal to 2 over e squared minus 2s minus 3. Okay. Another property is the secant shifting property. So, magamit na ni sa dito sa unit function. Ganisa. Hello? Okay na?
Wala. Excuse me, sir. Wala nakita, sir. Wala ginang... Oh. Sa formula
Okay.
pa ni siya, sir.
Ako sa stop ha. Kagit lang. Hello? Ako ibalik ka. Kana? Gamob na? Okay na? Hello, okay na?
Wala pa, sir.
Okay.
Black lang.
Okay. So, okay na?
Wala screen makita, sir. Black lang
May
yun.
makita? Isa Balin sa ako sa laing laptop ha. Kajut lang ha. Balin sa ako sa laing laptop.
Karon sir murag naa na.
Kani baranggan na ninyo? Hello. Baranggan ninyo? Ha? Sige, sige. Sige, thank you. Ako sa ikaw na. Kana, maklaro na ninyo? Hello. Kana, maklaro ninyo?
Okay na sir.
Sige, sige, sige. Ako sa ningkon. Klaro ninyo sa laptop. Kajut lang. Ako sa ni-shutdown yung usa. Kajut lang. So, okay na? Hello? Okay na, okay na?
Please, Doc. Okay na, Doc.
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Salamat kayo. Okay. For the second shifting property, Laplace transform, if Laplace transform of function of t is equal to function of s and g function of t is equal to function of t minus a for t greater than a. Imong g function of t is equal to 0 when t is equal to a. So then Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to a to negative es. A to negative e is function of s. So, for example here, if you have here, find the Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to function of t minus 1 raised t minus 1 squared for t greater than 1, g function of t is equal to 0 for t is equal to 1. So, using this second shifting property, Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to a to negative e is function of s. So, well, our e here is equal to 1. Kani siya, muna siya, muna itong e there. So, we have here function of a is equal to Laplace transform of t squared and a is equal to 1. So, we know that Laplace transform of t squared is equal to 2 over s cubed using the katong n factorial over is n plus 1. Ba? So, thus, Laplace transform of g function of t, muna na siya kung atong a na to is 1 man, so may substitute. So, muna siya negative is kay 1 man, negative is, then multiply na naman yung function of s which is equal to 2 over s cubed. So, we have here Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to 2e negative s over s cubed over s cubed. Another, if you have find the Laplace transform of g function of t, function of t minus 2 raised to the power of 3 for t greater than 2, g function of t is equal to 0 for t is equal to 2. So, using second shifting property, Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to a to negative e is function of s. So, ato sang i-work out ang function of s. So, our function of s is equal to Laplace transform of t cube and a is equal to 2. Muna siya. Dapat parehan sila dire. So, function of s is equal to 3 factorial over s n plus 1. So, we have here function of s 6 over s per. So, kuha na to ang function of s. Kuha na to ang function of s. So, ato lang i-substitute dire. We know that r a is equal to 2. So, ato i-substitute. So, may man siya. A negative 2 is times ang atong function of s is equal to 6 over s to the fourth. So, Laplace transform of g function of t is equal to 6a negative 2s over s to the fourth. Okay, so another property of the Laplace is the change of scale property. So here, if Laplace transform of function of t is equal to function of s, then Laplace transform function of t is equal to 1 over a function of s over a. So, marami siya dito. So, for example, find the Laplace transform of function of t cosine 40 using the change of scale property. So, again, Laplace transform of sa change of scale property, Laplace transform function of t is equal to 1 over a function of s over a. So, ang Laplace transform na to sa cosine t is equal to s over s squared plus 1. So, using this one, i-substitute na to, sa matang a na to dire. Our a is equal to 4. So, i-import siya dire, 1 over 4. Dayon, s over a man eh. So, kani dire, ato i-divide siya of S over 4. So that is S over 4 over S over 4 squared plus 1. After you simplify, so we come up here with S over S squared plus 16. Actually, kung gamitan mo ni siya o katong formula lang, dito sa ka, S squared over S squared plus 4 squared pa. Kani ato lang gigamitan ang change of scale property. So, another example, given that Laplace transform of sine over t is equal to r tangent 1 over s. So, we are asked to find Laplace transform of sine 3t over t. So, using change of scale property, Laplace transform function of et is equal to 1 over a function of s over a. So, ito na siya. Laplace transform of sine 3t over t. We know, atong na siya ma-simplify, which is also equal to 3 Laplace transform of sine 3t over 3t, di ba? Mag-change atong equation. Where our a is equal to 3, then using change of scale properties, so we have Laplace transform of sine 3t is equal to 3 over 1/3. Kabalo man tang Laplace transform of sine 3t over 3t is equal to r tangent 1 over s. So that is why 1/3 r tangent 1 over atong s na to i-divide na nato og 3. So we have here Laplace transform of sine 3t over t is equal to r tangent 3 over s. So meaning na-prove na to siya. Okay. Now, last example for the change of scale property, suppose that the Laplace transform of a certain function of t is s squared minus s plus 1 over 2s plus 1 squared times s minus 1. Find the Laplace transform of function of 2t. So first, paunsa na to ang function of t. Our function of t is which is equal to s squared minus s plus 1 over 2s squared then s minus 1. Now, kung atong gamitan na to, atong a na to kay 2 man, di ba? So, Laplace transform function of 2t is equal to atong gamitan na siya. So, kaning s3, may mo na siyang s over 2 squared. Ato i-substitute itong 2 nga ang a which is equal to 2 minus s over 2 plus 1 over 2 times s plus 2 plus 1 squared plus s over 2 minus 1. Ito na i-simplify. So we have here Laplace transform of function of 2t is equal to s squared minus 2s plus 4 over 4s plus 1 squared s minus 2. Okay. So next property is the multiplication by power of t. So we have here Laplace transform of t to the n, function of t is tanawa is equal to negative 1 to the n derivative of function of s with respect to ds is equal to negative 1 to the n function of s to the power of n function of s to the n. So when n at no 1, 2, o 3. So kung imo ni siyang tanahon, kaning ang the number of derivatives magdepende aning power aning t kani siya. So kani. So for example here, nakaning find the Laplace transform of t cosine 2t. So ang tay problema ani because the power here is equal to 1. So using multiplication, Laplace transform of t to the n function of t is equal to negative 1 to the n derivative of s then function of s. So we know that Laplace transform of cosine 2t is equal to s over s squared plus 2 squared or equal to s over s squared plus 4. Now, atong gamitan nani, so Laplace transform of t cosine t, negative 1, ang power aning t is equal to 1 man times d over ds, derivative of this s over s squared plus 4. So, we're going to differentiate this one with respect to s. So, we have here s plus 4 to the 1, derivative na cosine, minus s2s over s squared plus 4. Ito simplify. So, we have here Laplace transform of cosine 2t is equal to e squared minus 4 over e squared plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Ano so, kaya wag yung problema because the power of t is equal to 1. So, dali ra, we know that Laplace transform of sine 3t is equal to 3 over e squared plus 9. At ang substitute so the substitute so we have negative 1 raised to the power of 1 d over ds, then derivative of 3 over e squared plus 9. At then I differentiate, so we have here, after differentiating, so by derivative of cosine, so we have here Laplace transform of t sine 3t is equal to 6s over e squared plus 9 raised to the power of 2. So, but here in sample problem number 3 is a different story because the power of t is equal to 2. So, meaning, you're going to differentiate this one twice. So, ang problema ni kung tagaan tao ang kung ang power ani is 4. So, meaning, kung 4 na siya, yung power na 4. So, meaning, you're going to differentiate this one 4 times. So, in this case, dalawa lang. So, we have here negative Laplace transform for sine 3t is equal to s over e squared plus 9. So, using this formula, negative 1, atong n na to kay power na nito man. Negative 1 squared, then second derivative of s over e squared plus 9. So, you're going to differentiate this one twice. So, first derivative, so muna siya, 9 minus e squared plus 9. Then, the rest, ato pa yung i-differentiate further. Kausa, parang paano to. So, we have here Laplace transform of t squared cosine 3t is equal to 2s e squared minus 27 over e squared plus 9 raised to the power of 3. Now, kato ganina, multiplication by, multiplication by power of t. Karon, multiplication by the division of division by t. So, sa division by t, Laplace transform of function of t over t is equal to the integral of function of u du limit from s to the infinity. So, for example, nakani function of t sin 3t over 2. Now, kabalo man ta sa sin t, unahon sa nato ang sin t. The sin t is Laplace transform of sin t is equal to 1 over e squared plus 9. Then, ato din siyang gamiton ng formula. So, we have here Laplace transform of sin t over t is equal to the integral of limits from, limits na to diri, from s to infinity. So, from s to the infinity, then diri dayon, imo na to ni siyang du over kaning s na to atong represent by u. So, du over u squared plus 1. Now, what is the integral of du over u squared plus 1? That is arc tangent u. Then, applying now the limits from s to infinity. So, limit arc tangent of u from s to the a as a approaches to infinity. Now, karon medyo kuan siya. Di nato ni siya madiretso. So ato i-simplify na karon. So atong ang limits, so you have limit arc tangent a minus arc tangent s as a approaches to infinity. So here we are going to have a representation where at kani siya, you're going to let this one is equal to g. Kani. So the arc tangent a minus arc tangent a is equal to g. So meaning your x is equal to arc tangent a, your tangent x equal to a. Your y equal to arc tangent s, then tangent y equal to s. Now from tangent na to sa difference of two angles, tangent gx using difference of katong sa tangent g is equal to tangent x minus y, that is equal to tangent x minus y, that is equal to tangent x minus tangent y over 1 plus tangent x plus tangent y. So ato na rin siyang i-simplify. Kabalo man ta sa atong tangent G, atong kuha na to, ang atong tangent X is equal to A. Atong tangent Y na to is equal to S. So, muna siya. A minus S1 plus ES. So, our G now is equal to arctangent A minus ES 1 plus ES. So, meaning, kani mong arctangent A minus arctangent S, kani siya, is also equivalent to arctangent A minus S1 plus ES. So, pwede na natin siya simplify. So, the Laplace transform of sin t over t is equal to limit arctangent A minus S 1 over ES as A approaches to infinity. Now, before you going to atong i-distribute ang infinity, you're going to divide this one by S by A. So man siya, limit, we know that any number atong i-arrange na itong equation nga in such a way nga mahimo siyang 1 over infinity. We know that 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So in this case, ako na siyang i-divide na ko og ang numerator o denominator by A. So that is A over A minus S over A kani 1 over A plus ES over A. So may mo na siyang limit arctangent of 1 minus S over A over 1 over A plus S of. Karon pwede na nato i-simplify arctangent of kani S over A. This one is 0. Kani siya 0. So unsa man karon? Laplace transform of sin t over t is equal to arctangent 1 over S. So mo na siya. So another example, find the Laplace transform of function of t, e to the 4t minus a negative 3t over 2. Now, a to the 4t minus a to negative 3t, atong i-divide each term by t, so that is a to the 4t over t minus a to negative 3t over t. So, Laplace transform function of t is equal to Laplace transform of a to the 4t over t minus Laplace transform of, ano ba to? Laplace transform of a negative 3t over t. So, again, ang Laplace transform na to sa a to the 4t is equal to 1 over s minus 4. Then Laplace transform of a negative 3t is equal to 1 over s plus 3. So, using division by t, so Laplace transform function of t, mahimo na siyang integral of, ato na siyang represent og kani siya. Du over u minus 4 kani from s to infinity minus integral of kanina sad integral of du over u plus 3 as s approaches to infinity. Then integrate na to. Integral of du over u minus 4 is ln u minus 4 limit from s to infinity minus kani ln u plus 3 from s to infinity. So, ato na siya ln u minus 4 minus ln u plus 3, that is equal to ln u minus 4 over u plus 3 limit from s to infinity. Now, karon, we know that kaning u, omni infinity, so you're going to divide both numerator by denominator by u. Kaya ang ato ning objective diri nga mahimo na siyang any number divided by infinity is equal to 0. So in this case, akong i-divide of u. Ba? So ln 1 minus 4 over u, 1 plus 3 over u. So ln 1 minus 4 over infinity plus 1 over 3 over infinity minus ln 1 minus 4s over 1 plus 3s. Now, kani siya, wala na ni siya. ln1 is equal to 0. ln1 is equal to 0. So, kanina nabilin. So, minus ln s minus 4 over s plus 3. So, we have here yung Laplace transform function of t, which is equal to a to the 4t minus a negative 3t, ang kanimong function of t, is equal to ln s plus 3 over s minus 4. Okay. Another properties is the Laplace transform derivatives. So the first order derivative and Laplace transform of first derivative of function of t is equal to s Laplace transform of function of t minus function of 0. For the second derivative, for the Laplace transform of second derivative function of t is equal to e squared Laplace transform of function of t minus s function of 0 minus a prime first derivative function of 0. Then for the third derivative, so we have a Laplace transform of function third derivative Laplace function of t is equal to e cubed Laplace transform function of t minus e squared function of 0 minus s first derivative of function of 0 minus second derivative function of 0. So for the nth order derivative, so this is now our equation. The Laplace transform function of t is equal to s to the n Laplace transform function of t minus Sn minus 1 function of 0 minus Sn minus 2 first derivative of function of 0 up to ang last term na to is Fn minus 1 function of 0. That is why here for the third derivative, nakita na to ang last ani is ang sunod ana, lower ana niya is second derivative. So meaning, kung kani siya fourth derivative, both pasabot ani kani siya dire, dapat third derivative ni siya ang makita nato dire. Third derivative of function of 0. So, for example here, kani, find the Laplace transform of function of t cube using Laplace transform of derivatives. Now, atong function of t or t cube, so when t is 0, meaning function of 0 equal to 0, di ba? Second derivative of function of t, which is equal to 3t squared. For t is equal to 0, meaning f prime function of 0 is equal to 0. Then, for the second derivative, we have here 60. So meaning, the second derivative atong isubstitute, when t is equal to 0, so meaning equal to 0. Then, the last derivative, kani, so meaning, ang both pasabot ani, pag-dictate ang imong number of the derivative sa kani-kaniyang power. So as you notice here, 3 man siya. So meaning, we are up to third derivative. So the third derivative now is function of t is equal to 6. Di naman pwede nimo kung fourth derivative is equal to 0 naman na siya. So using this formula, kani nga formula atong i-substitute dire. So we have here Laplace transform function of t is cubed Laplace transform function of t minus e squared function of 0 minus s f prime function of 0 minus second derivative of function of 0. So atong i-substitute, atong third derivative function of t is equal to Laplace transform of 6 equal to s cubed. Atong Laplace transform of t cubed, ba? T cube na siya, siya, function of t is equal to t cube minus e squared function of 0. So matang function of 0 dire, equal to 0 na siya. Is a prime of 0. 0 ka pa na siya. Kani, 0. So meaning, kani siya, 0. Kani, 0 na siya, 0. So we have here, we know that Laplace, you can factor out 6. Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 over 8. Sorry. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 over 8 is equal to s cubed Laplace transform of t cube. So therefore, s cubed now, ato pa i-simplify. S cubed Laplace transform of t cube is equal to 6 over 8 or Laplace transform of t cube is equal to 6 over e squared. Diba? So katong sa formula, pwede raman ito rin gamitan o kaya man Tagay ito nga formula gani. T to the n, T to the n, then katong kan ba? Kani siya ka formula, pwede na ito gamiton na siya nga formula kung formula lang atong gamiton tong t cube, balik sa ta dire lang. Okay. Kung Tn, Laplace transform of t to the n is equal to n factorial over is n plus 1. So, tila, pwede mo na ito na idiretso, pero since we are asked to use derivative, kani. T to the q, di ba, n factorial over is n plus 1. So, unsa may Laplace, unsa man ni siya? 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1, so 6 over atong n ato 3 plus 1, so n plus 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So, pwede na to siya kung kato gamiton. Atong pag-check lang nato. Another is find the Laplace transform of function of t is equal to sin squared t using Laplace transform derivatives. So function of t, sin squared t, if t is equal to 0, so meaning function of 0 equal to 0. So a prime, kani, second derivative, first derivative, 2 sin t cosine t or equal to sin 2t. Diba? So Laplace transform of function of t is equal to s Laplace transform of function of t is equal to function of 0. So substitute ta nimo, a prime of t is equal to sin 2t. Is equal to Laplace transform of function of t is equal to s squared minus 0. So 2 over s squared plus 2 squared equal to s Laplace transform of sin squared, or s Laplace transform of sin squared t, equal to Laplace transform of sin squared t is equal to 2 over s squared plus 4. Kani. So kani mga inani class, first derivative yun tataman diri. First derivative ra ta diri taman. Unlike atong kung 90 nga nay power, kato tama kung kato motong maabot ta o third derivative kay mag-agad man ta ani. Kani. So kani in this case tama na gyud tas first derivative kani mga exponential o sine hyperbolic. So this one, function of t to the 5t. So when t is equal to 0, so function of 0 equal to 1 ba? First derivative ni a prime of t is equal to 5 e to the 5t. So ito substitute ni karon using this formula. Di ba? Asam ni gikan nga formula. So base mangita mo gikan na ni. So substitute na nato. So Laplace transform of 5 e to the 5t is equal to s Laplace transform of e to the 5t minus 1. So Laplace transform of kani. Unsa may imong Laplace transform of 5 e to the 5t. To ikon to ato sa ning ikon 1 minus s Laplace transform of e to the 5t minus Laplace transform of 5 e to the 5t. So we have here s Laplace transform of e to the 5t minus 5 Laplace transform of e to the 5t. So ato ma-factor out ang e to the 5t, or s minus 5 Laplace transform of e to the 5t equal to 1. So Laplace transform of e to the 5t is equal to 1 over s minus 5. Okay. Another property is the Laplace transform of integral. So here, kung kay Laplace transform of integral of function of u du, limits from 0 to p is equal to function of s over s. So for example, find the Laplace transform of sin u du, limits from find the Laplace transform of the integral of sin u over u du, limits from 0 to t, if Laplace transform of sin t over t is equal to arctangent 1 over s. So using this formula, we know that Laplace transform of sin t is equal to arctangent s, diba? So our function of s here is muna siyang arctangent s. So then Laplace transform of sin u over u du, limits from 0 to t. So atong function of s na to is equal to arctangent 1 over s over s. So we have here 1 over s arctangent 1 over s. So muna ang iyang the Laplace transform of the integral of sin u over u du, limits from 0 to infinity. Another example, so Find the Laplace transform of the integral of u squared minus u plus e to u du limits from 0 to the t. So, atong gamitan na pa rin ang formula. So, Laplace transform integral of u squared minus u plus e to u du limits from 0 to t. So, kani siya represent nato siya of t, Laplace transform of t squared kani t, kani mong e to the t over s. So that is 1 over Laplace transform of t cubed minus t plus e to the 5t. Now, we know that Laplace transform of t squared is equal to 2 over s cubed. Laplace transform of negative t is equal to 1 over s squared. Laplace transform of e to the t is equal to s minus 1. So to simplify, so our answer here is s cubed minus t squared plus t is minus 2 over s to the fourth minus 1. Another property is the evaluation of integrals. So, a function of s equal to the Laplace transform function of t, then the integral of a negative s t function t dt is equal to function of s. Taking the limit as s approaches to 0, then the integral of function of t dt limits from 0 to infinity is equal to function of 0, assuming the integral to be convergent. So, converge siya. So, for example, evaluate the integral of a negative 3t minus a negative 6t over t dt limits from 0 to infinity. So, atong i-divide by each term. So, Laplace transform of a negative 3t, gamitan namin, over t minus Laplace transform of a negative 6t over t. Aba naman takas, we know that the integral of 0 to infinity function of t dt is equal to, we know that the integral of a to the negative is t dt limit from 0 to infinity is equal to 1. Basta na tingala mo anong na-diretso mo ni siya. We know that our function of t is equal to a negative 3t over t. So wala na siya. Minus kani Laplace transform of negative 6t over t. So, Laplace transform of negative 3t, that is 1 over s plus 3. And Laplace transform of a negative 6t is equal to 1 over s plus 6. So, integral of du over u, atong sablihan sa u plus 3 limits from 0 to infinity minus du over u plus 6 limits from 0 to infinity. Then, integrate nato, ln u plus 3, 0 to infinity, minus ln u plus 6, 0 to infinity. So, we have here ln infinity, at ito distribute ang limits. So, we have here, wala ni siya. So, mabili ln 6 minus ln 3, or ln 6 over 3, or ln 2. So, therefore, the integral of a negative 3t minus a negative 6t over t dt limits from 0 to infinity is equal to ln 2. So, nag-converge siya. So, mura niya siya, ln 2. So, find the value of t a negative dt sin t dt limits from 0 to infinity. Now, primero, atong i-work out kanang Laplace transform sin t, 1 over e squared plus 1. And sunod na sa dayon, na may t dili. Gamitan ito first shifting property of Laplace transform. So, Laplace transform of a negative 3t sin t. So, may naman negative 3 dili. So, may siya 1 over s plus 3 squared plus 1. So, we have it. Laplace transform of negative 3t sin t is equal to 1 over s squared plus 6s plus 10. Then, gamitan rin ito of multiplication with the power of t. Pinamutay t dili. So that is Laplace transform a negative 3t sin t. Kabalo naman tali. This one. So to negative 1 to the 1. Derivative of first derivative of 1 over s squared plus 6 is plus 10. So we have here Laplace transform of a negative 3t is equal to negative 2s over s squared plus 6s plus 10 squared. Okay. Last example, here asked to evaluate a negative t sin t over t dt limits from 0 to infinity. So first, atong gamitin division by t. Laplace transform of sin t by t is equal to arc tangent s. And second na yun, by shifting property, kasi siya. Muli mo siya, arc tangent 1 over s minus negative 1, but this one is negative 1, so s plus 1. But ito sa pagkatin niya, integral of 0 to infinity, negative sin t dt over t dt is equal to limit arc tangent of 1 over s plus 1 as s approaches to 0. So, kaliwa, may problema na siya, kaya pag-substitute ito na rin, di man gawas ko, infinity na siya. So, we have here arc tangent 1 o pi over 4. Okay, so, kung nila mahuman, kung nila ako nila simplify, okay, pag-simplify, kaya kailangan converse mo nila kanina number 2, kung nila ako nila. So, ato na mo lang po ni class, ato i-apply to limits direct. So, we have here the integral of t negative 3t sin t dt is equal to 3 over 50. Kanina, wala to na simplify ato padayon. Ito ni siya. So, the last property here is the unit function or heap side function. Now, for the unit step function has only two outputs, 0 or 1. So, ganito so it acts like an off or on switch. So, the unit step function is discontinuous at the point at which it changes from 0 to 1. So, we have here the graphical representation for the unit step function. If ang atong ordinate is u function of t, ang atong abscissa is t. So, as you notice, kani siya dire, which is less than 0, then kani din dire din pag your u function of t is equal to 1, kung mo gawas na siya aning 0. So, dire siya paingon. So, meaning, sa definition of unit step function, ut minus a is equal to 0 if kani imong t nimo is less than a. Okay. Equal to 1 if t, kung makita mo na to, if t is greater than a. So, for the unit step function, for the Laplace, so meaning, kung t minus a, example, naratang a dire. So, the Laplace transform of ut minus a is equal to a to negative es over s. So, we know that we have here the proof that Laplace transform of ut minus a, the integral of a negative is to ut minus a dt limits from 0 to infinity. So, ato na siya, we know that ut minus a dt is equal to, pwede siya, is equal to 1 siya. So, i-integrate na natin siya, kani ba? Ganit siya, is equal to 1 na siya, so that is a negative is 3 times 1 dt limits from 0 to infinity. The integral of a negative is 3 is equal to a negative is 3 over s. Then apply now the limits, so we have here a to negative es over s. So, maano siya. So, for example here, write the following function of t using unit step function and find its Laplace transform. So, first, kung baon sa natong unit step function, yeah, the function of t is equal to 2 if 0 less than t less than 1, equal to 6 if 1 less than t less than 5, equal to 1 if 5 less than t less than 8. So, meaning, mo ni siya pa, representing of this graph, so meaning, kani siya. Mo ni siya. Oh. If t is equal to, if t, function of t equal to 2, from limits from 0 to 1. Pag abot sa dere, yung function of t is equal to 6 from 1 to 5. Then dire ka, function of t equal to 1 from 5 to 8. So, yan ang imong pag-represent sa graphical. So, and now, ato na siyang iusa na to sa function of t. So, kani siya, function of t, primero is 2u. Minus, kanila yon pag abot ano niya dire, negative siya. Diba? Oh. 2u, naabot siya, 2u, t minus 1. Plus, sa kanan sa taas, that is 6u, ang sabi siya dire. T minus 1, kaya mong kani dire. T minus 1 mo siya dire. T minus 1, dire na sa ka, abot mo dire, T minus 5. Oh. Plus, minus sa ka dire, 6u, T minus, abot sa dire, sakan sa ka, 1, T minus 5. Pag-abot mo dire, naabot ka, u, T minus 8. So, ato ni, so we have here, function of T is equal to u function of T minus u, T minus 1 plus 6u, T minus 1 minus u, T minus 5 plus 6 u, T minus 5 minus u, T minus 8. So, using this formula, ito ni siya gamito ni siya karon. So, man itong 2u, kanimong kwan, kanimong, ilang ni siya kabok? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, kani. Ano naman 2u function of t. That is equal to 1 over s. Kaning u, t minus 1. Saan na siya? A minus A negative s over s plus, kani u function of t, that is 6 negative s over s minus kani a negative 5s over s, then kani a negative 5s over s, then kani a negative 8s over s. Ano na ba? Gamitan natin siya. So we have here your function of s now is 2 over s plus 4 a negative s over s minus 5 a negative 5s over s minus a negative 8s over s. Another example here, write the following function of t using unit step function and find its Laplace transform. So, your function of t is equal to 2 if 0 less than t less than 1. Function of t is equal to 1/2 t squared if 1 less than t less than 1/2 pi. Function of t is equal to cosine t if t less than 1/2 pi. So, ano siya? May money. 2u. 0 mo sa sugod. So, okay. Sa una niyo, t minus 0. So, that is why 2ut. Then, kani, minus, na-obside siya, 2u, then t minus 1. Then, 1/2 t squared u, t minus 1. Minus, na-obside din siya, okay, 1/2 t squared u, t minus 5 over 2. Plus, kani din, cosine ut minus 5 over 2. So, to find the Laplace transform, cast all terms into function t minus function of t minus e, ut minus e is equal to function of s e to negative es. So, meaning, kailangan mo 1/2 t squared ut minus 1, ang tanamitan siya ni, is equal to 1/2 t minus 1 squared plus t minus 1 plus 1/2 ut minus 1. Sunod, kani? Ito na siya, using this, kani siya, so mayroon na siyang 1/2 t minus 5 over 2 squared plus 5 over 2 t minus 5 over 2 plus 5 squared over 8 t minus 5 over 2. Kani itong gigamit pang formula. And kani, cosine ut minus 5 over 2, negative sine t minus 5 over 2, then ut minus 5 over 2. So, applying now the Laplace transform to each term inside the three bracketed components. So, the Laplace transform of 2u t minus 1 is equal to kani 2 over s minus 2 e negative s over s. Kani mo 1/2 t squared u t minus 1, di siya? Di ba? Is equal to e negative s, s cubed plus e negative s, e squared plus e negative s, 2s. Kaya na siya. So, we have here, isang picture, so e negative 5 halves is over a squared plus 5 over 2 a to negative pi over 2 is over a squared plus pi squared over 8 a to negative pi over 2 is over a. So, then, apa yung isa na rin? Kani? Negative sine t pi over 2 minus t minus 5, that is equal to, kani ba? That is a negative 5 half is over a squared plus 1. So, karon ato na siyang i-substitute direct kanitanan karon, substitute ato na siya karon, ano na yung frequency, to i-address, ato i-substitute direct. So, we have here 2 over s minus 2 a negative s. Muna na siyang, ato na pambutang direct. So, muna siya ang yung Laplace transform of function of t. Okay, so that's all for the Laplace transform, property of Laplace. So our next topic is the inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so Mika, palag sa kung kan Mika ba? Photo ops, Mika.
Sir,
Kuha sa ko
Screenshot?
documentation. Oh, screenshot.
sige sir. No one has.
Kina?
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Evening.
Wala pa sir, wait lang. Kulay isa.
Next week pa ko manghatag og problem sheet number 4. Kahatag na ko next week.
Okay na sir.
Okay, thank you kayo. Good night. Sakto dyan sa oras.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Sige.
sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Sige.